Success story about a LiveGood affiliate. This is a success story about Tim Miller, a LiveGood affiliate who faced extreme struggles in his life. 3 years ago, he became seriously ill, lost his ability to walk due to surgery complications, and ended up homeless. However, Tim's determination and resourcefulness led him to join LiveGood, a network marketing company in the health and wellness industry. Despite limited resources, he used government computers and his messenger to promote LiveGood. Within less than a year, Tim's efforts paid off, and he went from homelessness to staying in an extended stay hotel. What's even more remarkable is that he became LiveGood's first Crown Diamond member, earning over $100,000 per month. This success story highlights the transformative power of determination and action, showcasing how individuals like Tim can overcome extreme life conditions and achieve financial success through opportunities like LiveGood's affiliate program. Becoming an affiliate member of LiveGood costs $40 for a one-time fee and a monthly fee of $9.95 for the membership. LiveGood affiliate marketing offers benefits such as low startup costs, minimal investment, and the potential for a high return on investment (ROI). Take the free LiveGood tour if you like to become an affiliate too. See the link in the description. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with other people who are interested in additional income.